All right, so 95% of my hair, or probably even 97 if you want to call it that. I'll just say 95% of my hair has the hair Seytas in it, my invention. And I'm actually using a lot of them vertically. I normally would use it horizontally with straight type of hair because it's more likely to be shown, but it actually came out pretty good, I would say. As for the hairstyle, I actually like it. I used to do this when I would braid my hair for crochet braids. This actually kind of looks like a wig, which is hilarious to me because, in my opinion, look as a wig as in it looks, in my opinion, it looks really good. But yeah, this is my hair Seytas. Again, if you don't know what the hair Seytas are, you can go to hairseyta.com, Seyta. It's a device that you just wrap your hair around and it comes out, or it's less likely to cause tangles because you're just wrapping your hair around as opposed to braiding it. People who don't know how to braid, or people who, you know, just want something something faster. And this invention constantly amazes me. I mean, I actually ended up cutting it. It used to be three circles. I actually cut mine. And so it's, you know, you don't, here, let me show you an example. Well, maybe that one's in the back, so you probably can't see it. Well, a lot of these are kind of hidden, which is good. You want that hidden. Right here. So, see how you can barely tell too? That's crazy. Oh my God. So you would wrap your own hair around the invention. That's my hair being wrapped around it at the very top. And then the hair extension just falls. And then when you're ready to take it out, you just either cut the hair off and then detangle it. I think that the next video I show, or the next time I take out my hair, I will show how to take out the Seytas. It's actually very easy and simple, and fun. I kind of have fun with it. So with that said, 95% of it holds my invention with only just a tiny bit of leave out in the front, simply because you know, I didn't want to do the invisible braids where, you know, you would braid the front in small braids and then kind of just put fake hair over it for crochet braiding. So I just left it out, and it blends in really well with this type of hair. So yeah, this is most likely how I'm gonna wear at the convention. I will put some, most likely spiral curls in the hair at the bottom, see how that turns out. I think it'll turn out cute. But yeah, hope you guys like it. I think it looks fine. Oh, and you know what happens if I do this with the hair? Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. The fact that I can do is pretty awesome, but I don't want it like that. I want it like this. Okay, have a good day.